What is up, guys? Let me make sure I'm recording. Yes, I am recording my voice. I'm here with my friends Enderman Thorn and Nicholas Waldrop. I think he hung up. I don't know. But Enderman Thorn is currently head admin on my server.
Yo, what's up?
Nicholas Waldrop is some douchebag who Enderman made a admin, but I removed him. Yeah, he just left the call. He was here earlier.
Excuse me? I have new items. What is it? I found a Eureka effect. Oh, like a boss.
Gonna play room with Xavier. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how my full experience is on how I made a DarkRP server. Okay.
So I can't give myself cash. How am I supposed to do this by myself?
Wait, hold on. Set cache. Hold on, wait. Me amount. Okay, look, there you go. Okay, now go to your internet.
No, Nicholas is playing Realm I got anyway.
Tool. Find that. Dude, shut up, I'm making a video. Okay, yeah, now we're gonna go download that as you saw in my how to make a TF2 server video. And you're gonna hit yes, and then you do not want to save as on that window, by the way. Now click I agree, browse. Oh, first of all, resume. Make a hit new, go to folder. Oops, thing always fails on me. Make a GarrysModServer file. Clicking that. Okay. Now go back to your hldsupdatetool. You're probably gonna have to refresh it. Just go into a file and go back, and then there it is. He doesn't have. I don't know why. Well, whatever. Yeah, just go to your GarrysMod file, and then next. Congratulations, you have the hldsupdatetool. You, sir, are a sexy man. Okay.
Question mark?
I hear somebody walking. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I'm making a video because my dad currently is on vacation with somebody, and he didn't bother to bring me. Oh well. So I used his mic, which is 100 times awesomer than mine. Okay. Now back to the thingy. Okay. Now you want to, and this is how I do it. Okay. Alright, you want to go to that, go to Notepad, fine, okay, type hldsupdatetool.exe, yeah, that, and yeah. Alright guys, this is really what you want to write right here. I'll let y'all look over that for 5 seconds, I got a timer. Okay. And yeah, that's what you want to be looking at. Now hit save. All files. Make sure you're in the GarrysModServer file. Type update.bat. Congratulations, you have an update.bat. Now hit save. Minimize. Then update the freaking server. Now this is how I made a DarkRP server. So where you won't really need a coder. I'm so sorry, coders. I really did not want to do this to you, but I did it anyways. And I'm going to show you guys how to code in jobs in another video. Or I might show it in this one because this is my thing. Now, I'm not going to show you the whole download, but I'm going to talk to you guys. I will be 13 in May 12th. No, May 2nd. I'm awesome. Hey, Thorn, you want to talk with me?
There's nothing for me to really talk about. I'm just trying to do my own thing.
Ow, you hurt my ears, bro. Okay.
It's not my fault.
I know, I accidentally turned on my game. Okay, so I'm not going to let you guys sit through this torture. So let's pause it, and then I'll be back when we're done. Peace out, bitches. I'm kidding. Okay, peace. Until then. Alright, guys, it is finished. But now we're back to the boring part again. Now, in order to have a Gmod server, a Gmod DarkRP server, you have to have this. I no longer have Thornman because he's playing Realm of the Gay God. I'm sorry, Realm of the Mad God players. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds to look at this. I'm watching the time. 5:40. Do 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 do. Okay, now let's minimize that. Okay, let's save. Yeah. All files. Now turn it to, now call it CSS update.bat and save it. And minimize that. You know, you can close it out if you want to. Now click on the CSS update. And then congratulations, your Counter-Strike source is now updating. Yeah. And make sure that is in your GarrysModServer folder. Yeah, just wait for that to download. Okay, now I will be right back. When this is done, I will join back with you guys. And also, I will be showing the admin thing I use and how to put yourself as an admin, and the plugins I use, such as Maccal Weapons, yeah, pretty much that drugs mod. And I'm going to show you guys how to code. Probably about 20, like how to code in jobs. Like a full thing on how to code in jobs. Okay, now I'm just going to pause it right here. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys, that download was it was like really longer than the first download. Let me show you. Am I on the server? Nobody's on. Let's just go ahead and close it. Yeah, but that was a long download. Now here's not a very tricky part, but you need to do this. Now you need to go to your CSS folder. That's in your GarrysModServer folder. Click it. Now find Counter-Strike. Right click, and copy, or hit Control-C, whichever you prefer. And go back to GarrysModServer, then go to Orangebox, then paste it there. And just wait for it to get done. And I'll just be right back until it's done. Alright, that's done moving over. I'm sorry, I have to check my audio every once in a while to make sure this is working. Okay, now that you got the Cstrike in there, congratulations, you now have, wait, we do not have a DarkRP server yet. Now you want to go to GarrysMod, addons, oh wait, not addons, sorry. You want to go to CFG, and then you want to make a auto-exec thing and type in SV default game mode DarkRP, but you do not want to save it yet. You want to download the SVN for DarkRP. How to do that? You're going to go to your Orangebox, GarrysMod, Game Modes, and then New Folder, name it DarkRP, and then go to your internet, look into Google DarkRP SVN. But if you do not have an SVN, go to this download site right here, which will be in the description. I'll put the download link in there. That's advertisement. You do not want to go there. You want to click on that. That's advertisement too. Make sure you download from one of those. If you're 64-bit or 32-bit, which I will give you the download page in the description. Alright. And now you want to go to Google, type DarkRP SVN, and look at that right there. And copy the Google code, Control C or right click copy. I prefer Control C because it's way faster. Then right click on your DarkRP. Oh, let me show you guys something weird. Once you go back to your libraries, you now have a subversion. You have a subversion in your libraries now. Let's go back to that. No, not that. Sorry. GarrysModServer, Orangebox, GarrysMod, Game Modes, and right click on your DarkRP SVN checkout. And okay. This does not take long at all. It's actually very quick. See? I didn't even need to pause the video for that. It's very quick. And now you have all that. Congratulations, you now have DarkRP. Now, to do the auto-exec folder, okay, now go back to that untitled notepad, whatever it is. SP default game mode, DarkRP. Yes, SP default game mode, DarkRP. Make sure you do not have that underscore. I'm sorry about that underscore. Do not put that in. Okay, now hit save. All files. And put it in auto-exec dot. Hold on, let's put it in lowercase. Auto-exec dot CFG. You have to have this, otherwise it would not exec or whatever the default game mode, and go CFG, and then save it there. Next, of course, you all know the server.cfg. Oops. Yes. I'm so sorry. Yeah, just the server. Yes, like I said, now it is time for the server.cfg. Now I'm gonna give you guys. I've already done it. I'm gonna give you guys a few, maybe about 20 seconds to look at it, or you can pause it if you do not have enough time. Here, I'm just gonna let you guys pause it because we got much more to this video. Okay, now you want to save it, and then save it as all files, of course. Server.cfg. Now you have two handmade CFG files, and save. And so we got hostname, my default game mode is DarkRP. I'm going to change that later because I do not want people to come on my server and take over my server. So yeah. Yeah, Xbox no clip, zero God mode. This is what you all want for your server. Now you're allowed to give yourself like admins and all that, all these, but this is the players' stuff. This is for the players. Okay. Yeah, it's like, yeah. Okay, and you got that. Okay, now we are actually officially done with our server, but now we're gonna do add-ons. Okay, we're gonna go back to that. Go to www.garrysmod.org. Now the main thing you want to download, Mad Cow Weapons or Real CS. But I'm not gonna do that. I like Mad Cows better. Mad Cow 3.0. Come on, Matt. Do not get the beta one. The beta one will mess up. See that one right there. 3.0. This is the one you want. The one that says fixed on it, which will be in the link in the description. The original file. Oh wait, this is the one you want, which, no, never mind, that's not the one you want, it's the beta. Okay. There. Okay, then, oops, I got that in my way. Now you want to open that, wait for it to get done downloading. Okay. Now you want to go to, you want to go to add-ons. GarrysMod, sorry. You're in your add-ons folder, so go in your add-ons. Hold on. Now, these, two weapons, right, two mad cows are, you don't need them. You mainly want that one. These are if you have a day of defeat, or you're making a day of defeat RP server or something. I don't know, or I'm not really sure what FOF stands for, but if you're making one of those, you can use that. But I would just prefer using that one. So add-ons, drag the mad cows to that one, which I'm only going to use the mad cow weapons. Now go to scripts. Go to GarrysMod, scripts, sounds, and then put that in there. Okay, then go to Half-Life 2, and go back on your thing, go to GarrysMod. Oh wait, no, go to the GarrysModServer thing, go to HL2, go to script. Wait, is there no scripts folder in the HL? Oh well, let's put that in there. Bam. Like a sauna. No, I'm just kidding. And then there, you now have scripts. Okay. Now you are done with mad cow weapons. You now have mad cow weapons on my server. On your server. And I'm just gonna do this one. These are optional, by the way. You don't have to do these. But these are what I use. Ooh, when did they release 2.04? Seriously, when did they do that? I remember. Wait, that's an old version, I think. PC mod. Where's the original version? I'm sorry, I said virgin. Holy crap, that's a big old computer. Where's the version I usually use? Hold on. Where's the one I originally used? Seriously. Well, we'll just... I'll find that later. We don't really worry about that on the server. Now, okay, now, what else do I want? Hold on, let me, I put it in my, server name, so let's go back to Orangebox, GarrysMod, CFG, server, CFG, oh yeah, and WireMod. Okay, now look up WireMod SVN. Okay, now you're on the WireMod site, but oh, this is a guide. There we go, that's what we need. Okay, Control C or right click copy on that. Okay, go to GarrysMod, add-ons, and new folder. Name it WireMod. And then SVN checkout. And then put in your WireMod, and then put in your WireMod. And just wait for it to do the crap. And that was fast. Okay, go to your WireMod. Oh, it's not everything. 1 second. It's not the right WireMod. No, I need the right WireMod. Okay, WireMod SVN. I do not want an SVN guide. There it is. That's what we're looking for right there. And Control C on that. Okay, hold on, I'll turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my server right quick. That's my recently made server. And guys, you know what I just realized we have not done yet? We have not made a CRCDS. We have not made a run server little thing. So yeah, we'll be getting to that in a minute. Set money off amount for I'm sorry. Some money for you. Okay, I'm sorry. He's an admin on my other thing also. Okay. I'm gonna make a new folder. Name it WireMod, of course. Okay, SVN checkout. Then this is the real thing you want to do. Come on. It shouldn't take long though. Stupid gnat. Got you, stupid cunt. Okay, yeah, this is the real version because this is downloading a long time. So yeah, this probably won't be long. So I'm not sure if I should pause or not. I'm pretty sure this is about to be done. So, because last time I downloaded WireMod, it did not take long at all. But I guess I will. Alright, let's pause it. And it's probably not going to be worth the pause. Dang, 21 minutes in. Luckily, I get more than I can get. Like, I get unlimited videos. Good God. Yeah, that totally wasn't worth it because, that got finished downloading like 5 seconds after I paused. Okay, then go into your WireMod. These right here. Take them out. Cut them. Go back to your add-ons. And then paste. And then delete the WireMod. And there you go. Congratulations, you have WireMod. Okay. Now we're going to need to create a CRCDS. Now, I'm going to do this differently than I've done in most videos. Hit create a find new. And click shortcut. Go to browse. Find computer, local disk, GarrysModServer, Orangebox, and then the CRCDS, and then hit OK. Hit next. And DarkRP server. And finish. Yes. I'm sorry. God, he's getting annoying. Okay, and there's the DarkRP server. My God. Shut the freak up. Okay. I mean, I told him before I'm doing a freaking video. Okay, sorry, I was answering that dude's question. Now, this is the runserver.cfg. But you do not need a notepad for this because you will just want to copy this down right here. Keyboard and Control C. Go into DarkRP server. Make sure you copy that. And go to properties and click Control V. Oops, god dang it. Not Control. I accidentally hit Control C. Control V or paste Now in this, you do not want the console because your thing won't work right with the console. Okay. Name make sure the pattern. It is valid. Oh. Here's my server. I'm sorry. You want to go to find C slash that slash GarrysModServer Orangebox slash now apply and hit OK. You are officially done. And I forgot about one more thing while I was running my mouth. Okay. you want to put in a keypad 1.4 and download file, open. Just go to your add-ons, Orangebox, GarrysMod add-ons, and put that in there. And you want an admin keypad cracker. And download that. See, I don't like the admin keypad checkers because they just don't seem right. I like the admin keypad crackers the best. And one more thing, we got the keypad cracker itself. And download file. Put keypad cracker. Right there. And you also want fading doors. And make sure you put the all new one. Download file. Okay. And then put that there. And then your server is officially ready for DarkRP. Now start it up. Oh yeah. Make sure it's not Cstrike source, by the way. It will put it as Cstrike source. I will let you know that. Property. Yeah. See, yes, this. Oh, and make sure like you download the map if you have a custom map. Let me show you. Okay. Like me, I have a custom map. RP down to, like, if you've never been on it before, well, I mean, you got to download it either way, so yeah, just go ahead and download the thing for your server. Okay, I'm gonna download this file and click on that and GarrysMod maps, put that in the maps folder. And X. And then your server's officially ready. Finally. Make sure you change it to GarrysMod. Why the heck is the name not responding? Okay. I'm gonna look at my server.cfg. I still have that up. Yep. What the freak? Sniper. I'm just gonna put that sniper. Cheesy gaming beta. DarkRP beta, and put that as fiend. And I wanted 32 people. I'm sorry. This and ABC12D, and then start server. I do not know why it did that. And allow access. It may take a bit because it's uploading the server. Like, this is how fast a normal console server would start. So yeah. And your server is up, and make sure it says game DarkRP 2.4.2. And what the freak? Why is my map cycle like that? Don't want that in my map cycle. I do not know why it's in my map cycle. This is fun. Why do they? I got a question. Why do they have that in Gmod servers? Put that in there. And why is it a LAN network? It needs to be internet. I don't know why it did that. It did not do that to me the first time, but it might not happen to you. But just to make sure. Oh, it's probably because it's in the 27016 port. It's probably why. Yeah. I'm gonna go play with my friends and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, they left actually, so I guess we do not need to worry about them. I'm gonna go get my game. And for the remainder of the video, I will be showing you guys how to code. Well, how to code in jobs at least. Maybe shipments and drugs. Speaking of drugs, let's go download one more thing. You want to find dirt. Just type in dirt. And that's the one you want. I would not suggest the injector. It's kind of stupid. I won't, like, I tried fixing it like it's telling me to, but it will not do that. Okay, go to GarrysMod. I forget, is there anything, and let's just put in our add-ons. Yeah, this is DarkRP, put it in there. And you also, and if you do not add, like, this is for coding too, but I like these jobs right here. I might, you know, I'm gonna do my own custom jobs then, because I do not like how he kind of did them. He made a SWAT leader, SWAT sniper, girl, bailer, black market dealer, drug salesman, banker, SWAT guard, or hitman. But I think I'm just gonna do them myself. But whatever. My server IP will also be in the description. So DarkRP is in there. Okay, now I'm gonna pause and I'm gonna get my game set up for you guys. Alright guys, my thing's set up. Okay, now to find your server, you want to go to LAN. You want to refresh until you see your server. Why is it not saying it's on my local network? Hold on guys, I'm gonna just turn off that server right there. Let's put it on my real local network. Okay, let's start the server. Because that's the original port it's supposed to be, so yeah. Let's just wait a bit here and just pause it for you guys. Alright, I'm back now. Let's just test this out. Please work. Yes, it worked. Okay. Now connect to it. Now you want to type in the right IP and the server info right there. It's not stopped working. It does that. That's not the server. That's this game, but it's not. It hasn't stopped. It does that. It does that when I'm running in a window. Come on. Here. Sorry. I hate running in a window. But yeah, that's how it works. Okay, I'm just gonna I'm gonna start the game for you guys and like not running in a window. Yeah, I'm gonna try it one more time if it doesn't work. Look, the server's also in my favorites right there. I don't know how it got there. I guess it's the same ports like on your thing. Okay, good. It's working now. Now I got to download a catch or catchy or however you like to say it. I'm gonna create an Avocity server, not a DarkRP Avocity server, but I'm gonna wait till my server gets like more populated. You know. Yes, my server info will be in the description if you guys want to play it. I really hope this helps for you guys, cause this is a full thing that I'm doing for you guys. I'm not predicting how much longer this will be. La 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 la. Oh, and I almost forgot the Jihad bomb. That's a fun thing to use. wait. Alright, send in the client info. I'm sorry, I would pause this, but I really don't feel like minimizing through a, like, through this, because it'll probably freeze up my game. It's almost done. Okay, there we go. And congratulations, your server is up. It got all these jobs. Look at the gangster, mob boss, civil protection. These are the default jobs. You are not currently admin. Oh yeah, and I totally forgot about the admin thing. I forgot to download it. Yeah, but I'll show y'all that in a minute. And see, you can buy these doors. So awesome. See, but like, if you like are an admin, you can control these doors. Like, you can make a menu for these doors right here, which like where people can't buy them. You know, just get in like this. You know, like this. And let's go to hit Q and make sure our weapons work. And congratulations, your weapons have worked. If you see them right there, they have worked. See, you can't spawn weapons. That means they work. I got a C4 right there. Now, if you're an admin, you could pick up you can get these weapons. Which I will show you guys how to make yourself an admin in a minute. And then there's the drugs mod. Spawn it. Yeah. And there's the ammo boxes, which I still have yet to figure out how to put them in shipments. If somebody's out there, please tell me, how do I put those in shipments? Please. And if any cutters out there, I just need 2 codes from somebody. Unfortunately, I don't have enough money to pay though. Oh my god, what the freak? What the heck did I just do? Okay, but whatever. Seriously, what the heck what the heck? Is anybody else seeing this? Am I some sort of camera mode or something? Okay, whatever. Whatever. I'm just gonna close that out. Please close out. Oh, come on. It doesn't even say the freak. Oh my god, what the freak? Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I see what I did here. Oh god. Dang it, Camtasia. I accidentally hit something. Okay. Okay. Now, you wanted to go to this ULX. This is what I use. You go to downloads on that site, if you want this. For some reason these SVNs don't work for me, which I'm just gonna use these down there. You just want to use these for your add-ons. You want both of these right here. You want to download these two right here. You want to download them. And then go to your thing, put the ULX in there. Okay, and then go to your ulib. Put that in there. And you now have an admin mod, but you are still not a freaking admin. Okay. Da-da. Seriously, that was just annoying. A screen draw, yeah. Seriously, what the freak, Camtasia? That was just, I can't talk to you right now. Okay. Alright guys, I had restarted my server. Okay, then we'll go back to GarrysMod. Here, I'm just gonna go back to my server with that. Alright guys, I'm back on my server and it is restarted. Now, if your thing over there says that Cstrike is incorrectly installed, you have failed and you should be ashamed of yourself. I'm just kidding. Okay, now to test this out, to see if your Archon password works, type Archon/password. Do exactly as I do. Whatever those are, I forget. ABC12D or whatever your Archon password is, and then type that in. Now to see if that worked, type in Archon echo. And if it says auto kick is disabled for Sheezy, then you have did it right. If it said, or if you do like this, and do like that, and you type Archon echo, it says bad Archon password. You have failed password. ABC12D. And then look, and we can do all sorts of command with this. See, Archon say, "What's up, people?" Look, and there's what it says. It says console. Pretty cool, right? It is. Now I'm about to show you how to make yourself an admin. Oh, sorry. Alright, now you do Archon, ULX, add user, open quote, super admin. I mean, not super admin, I'm so sorry. Name. Or, I'm not sure if you have to do all that, but I'll just do all that just in case. And close quote. And then super admin 1. It means you cannot be targeted or hit, but I'm just going to do 0. And congratulations, you are now admin. Console added you to group super admin. Now to test this out, go to menu. You now have all controls. Fun. You can strip yourself of weapons. I now have no weapons at all whatsoever. Unstrip sheet. I guess you can't unstrip yourself. You have to kill yourself. Does anybody know how to disable suicide? Oh, RP strict suicide 1. Oh, what is strict suicide? Oh yeah, you spawn in the same place you are. So if you suicide, you spawn in the same place as you are. Okay, let's go to. See, you can also test this out. Go to weapons. Yeah, rocket launcher. Boom! How did I not kill myself from that? That was kinda. I just grenade myself. Oh yeah, it's strict suicide. You can't kill yourself. So yeah. No. God dang it. Camtasia, quit it. I do not want to screen draw. Okay. And you also have no clip. You can just hit whatever your no clip button is. Weedle. Oh god, no. Yeah. Menu. Wait till he gets on this freaking server. I do not want T-Pop on my server. He's always stalking my server. I'm about to ban him. Here, once he gets on the server, I will, here, I will show you guys. Wait, is that who freaking? Here, I'm just gonna shut it down so he can't get on. Okay. I'm sorry. Shut it down. Fag. Okay. So yeah, you're now an admin. Time to code. Okay, go to game modes. Go to DarkRP game mode. Now, wait, maybe that's what I need to do. I don't know. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, whatever. Okay. And you want to open up your shared. And go ahead and close that ammo types. And open up your add entities. And you see you already got some codes in, but these are not the ones that you made. Okay. These are the jobs. Now you can just look at this to show, or, okay, now we're going to add some custom teams. What team will I do? Team, you make sure that's in capitals. The team name does not have to be in capitals, which I do not prefer to be in capitals because I do not like caps. If you knew me, caps irks me, but some stuff just has to be in caps. I'm just going to do terrorist, and well, you want to type team, caps team, and underscore terrorist. Do a colon, parentheses. I'm sorry. Parentheses. Open quote, and then class name, close quote, and then comma, and then to color, and then open parentheses. You can do anything. This is just the color it will show up in your tab menu. I'm just gonna do 165 to, not to, 100, 255, 255. The last one has to be 255. And then you want to do that. And, oh crap, you actually want your server back still up, but whatever. Because I know what the thing you want. Now you always want to do this. You want to do open quote, models, slash, player, slash, arctic. This is what I want my terrorist to look like. .mdl, close quote, and then comma. Now this is your job description. This is what I'm typing in. Jihad bomb. I have with a jihad bomb. You can buy a C4 if you want from. See, I do not want I don't want like the freaking black market dealer to be selling a jihad bomb. So yeah, you know everybody would be abusing that. But I'm probably gonna make it like where it's cost like a lot. If you want one from, if I did that, but I don't know the model. If anybody knows the model, please tell me. A black market dealer. Do not. Let me put a period right there. Do not abuse unless you want a demote, kick, ban, and then close. Make sure you have to do them twice. You have to. It's a have to thing. And then comma. Your job name again. and open quote, job name, close quote. Wait, no, I'm sorry. Whatever here, let's go back to the internet. I'm sorry. Close current tab. Go back to your thing. Oh God, where are we at? Dang, we're at the 50-minute mark. You want to go to www.garrysmod.org. You want to find gaddbomb. That's the one you want right there. Open. And then I'm gonna find C4. C4 explosive. C4. Where the heck? How do you spell explosive C4, not C4 explosive. Explosive C4. No? C4 bomb? You know what? This is really annoying. Oh wait, it's in the Mad Cows. I forgot. It's in the Mad Cows. Okay, so yeah, we got the jihad bomb. Okay, go back. Okay, now you want to go back to GarrysMod, addons. Click on that addons, and 4lla, and close that. GarrysMod. And to find what, you don't need a model for the weapon, luckily, but unless you're doing a thing, whatever. Find 4lla, go to materials, models, weapons, W models. Wait, no, I'm sorry, not W models. I'm sorry. You want to find, I'm so sorry, 4lla, materials, my models, I'm sorry, where is it? I mean, you can find it in there, so models, weapons. Okay, there we go. No, wait, hold on. These are models. Oh my God. Okay, whatever. We'll just add the GI bomb. I'll just add. You just figure it out yourself. I mean, this is annoying. Hold on. Materials, models, weapons, W models, PR. Well, that's a model though, so whatever. Okay, now you want to open that and then close that. What goes in here is a weapon. If you want a weapon, open parentheses weapon, bug bait. It's not gonna be a real weapon, but that's what you want. I'm gonna add rape slips very soon, but that's only gonna be for admins only. And then just close that and comma, and then job name again. Terrorist. Close quote. And you want to see how much 2 means how much. The second one is the salary, which I'll make them paid 175. And then the third one is rather user, admin, or super admin. 0 means user, 1 means admin, 2 means super admin. I'm just going to do 0. False means that you don't have to vote for it, or true means you have to vote for it. I'm going to make it true, and then I'm going to do that. And then you gotta close parentheses, and then you're officially done. Save it. Now test if your job works. Open your DarkRP server. Dude, am I still talking to you guys? Oops. I wasn't even realizing. Okay. Let's just wait for it. Ah! Hey, I just, Alright guys, we're back. As you see in the middle up there is the, server adverts. They're pretty cool. Now, we're back because now we added a custom job. Now hit F4 to see if the job works. Go to job. What the freak? I'm wondering why it did not work. What did we do wrong? I don't get it. Oh, I see. We forgot to do that. It equals add extra team. I'm so sorry. It's kind of embarrassing. It happens at times. That will happen to you. Don't worry. Here, I'll pause when I restart my server and get it back up. Doo-doo-doo. Hey, you know what? While I'm at it, I'll show you how to code in the drugs. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Listen, I'm just gonna do a cheat sheet. I'm sorry. This is how I got my drugs. Although this is kind of clever. 10 jobs. Go to 10 jobs. I have to say, some of these dudes' jobs are well made. And jobs. Now, there's an info right here. It tells you how to get the jobs. Now, I'm gonna copy the guard. Paste it in there. I think I'm gonna make my own custom SWAT. And I'm gonna put team drug in there. And that's probably gonna be it. And I'm gonna put the custom shipments. Okay. Now to do this, okay, just go ahead and save it. Go to add entities. Now, you want to go down here and do this. Add the custom shipments right there. Now, if you see this right here, I'm just gonna. This is the code for these. Now, you want to fix these by doing this. You want to change that to a Z, and there's also one mess up right there. Okay. Now, you officially have drugs on your server. And then I'm going to add a shipment of a mad weapon. Add custom shipment. You make sure it has to be that. Make sure you follow exactly as I do. Custom shipment. Let's go to mad weapons, materials, weapons. I'm going to add an AUG. I want to add the AUG. And open quote, AUG, close quote. Now you can put anything right there. You could put suck my balls there. It wouldn't make a difference. All that matters is that you got the right model. And then, hold on. And you want to, comma, space, open quote, type models. Now hit dash. Now to find the models for these, go back up. Go to your Macro weapons. Go back and make sure you're in this. Go to models, weapons. No, not models, weapons. Actually, if you want to find the models, I would suggest going to your server, but yeah, but it's really simple. But with models, W, Rife, AUG. That's probably it. .mdl, and then close quote, and then comma, space, and then weapon / mad / and go back to your backup weapons. Go to materials, weapons, and then go back to the AUG, and then to AUG, and then close quote, and then this is for this is like how much it will be. I'm pretty sure. Let me go look up top. This is how much it will be. This is how much the shipment contains. And these have to be false, nil, false. I'm not really sure why. And then make sure they are assigned to, and then comma, space, and open that, open bracket, team / gun, and then close bracket, and then close parentheses, and then save. Open up your server, and I will be right back once I have the server up. Alright guys, actually I need to fix something. I need to fix that weapons / whateveryouwant. Okay, I'll be right back after I got the server up. Alright guys, it looks like we got this working. If you can see, if it's your jobs are working, go to jobs, and voila, your jobs are there. We got a guard right there. We got a drug dealer right there, and a terrorist right there. Now let's take a look at the drug dealer, and look at there. We got some drugs. You smoke, therefore you are cool. Bam. Let's get some of that. Oh god, I gotta kill myself. Yeah, I don't like drugs. And I also have on the server the drop weapon on death. You can do that by accessing your commands right here. You can look at all these right here and disable them or enable them, whichever you want. Alright, and let's check out the gun dealer. And there's his AUG. Let's see if the AUG works. Voila. You have a working code. Now, I will, if you were looking to hire me as a coder, oh, come on, Camtasia. I will code. I will learn how to code custom. Well, I already know how to code shipments and all that. Like I mean, like ammo shipments. I'll learn how to do that. Like if you do not know any of this, you can hire me as a coder or something like that. Yeah. I mean, I'm currently am looking for work. So yeah. Thank you for joining, guys. After this 1 hour video, we finally get done with it. I know. Alright, guys. Peace out. This has been a Rager Kids production. And remember to put a like out there and subscribe to me. This is my complete experience on making a Gmod server. DarkRP at least. Thank you for joining, guys. Peace.